In this video, we're going to dive into an inspiring story about kindness. Lastly, I'll teach you the words in yellow. One chilly morning, Emma was walking to her favorite coffee shop when she noticed Lila sitting outside Mr. Turner's bookstore. The little girl was peeking through the windows, her eyes fixed on a colorful book about magical adventures. Her face lit up every time she caught a glimpse of the pages. Emma approached Lila with a warm smile. "Do you like books?" she asked. Lila nodded shyly. "I love them, but I can't buy any." Emma felt a pang of sadness. "Wait here," she said, stepping into the bookstore. Inside, Mr. Turner was dusting the shelves, muttering to himself. He barely looked up when Emma walked in. "Good morning, Mr. Turner," Emma said cheerfully. What's so good about it?" he grumbled. Emma ignored his mood. "How much is the book in the window?" she asked. Mr. Turner frowned. "That one? It's too expensive for a child." "How about a discount?" "It's for a good cause," Emma insisted. He hesitated, but Emma's kindness softened him. "Fine, I'll give you a small discount," he mumbled. Emma bought the book and handed it to Lila outside. The little girl's eyes sparkled as she hugged it tightly. "Thank you," she exclaimed, her joy contagious. But Emma wasn't done yet. She returned to the store. "Mr. Turner," she said, "you have so many wonderful books. Why not create a book corner where kids like Lila can borrow books?" Mr. Turner scoffed. "Why would I do that?" "Because books are meant to be read and shared," Emma replied. "It might even bring more people to your store." Mr. Turner mulled over her words. Though he appeared grumpy, he secretly loved seeing people enjoy books. After a moment, he nodded reluctantly. A week later, a small shelf labeled "Free Book Corner" appeared in Mr. Turner's store. Lila was its first visitor, and soon other children began coming too. Mr. Turner started smiling more, and his store became livelier than ever. He even began chatting with Emma whenever she visited. "You're not as grumpy as you seem," Emma teased one day. Mr. Turner chuckled. "Maybe your kindness rubbed off on me." From that day on, Emma, Lila, and Mr. Turner showed everyone in the neighborhood that a small act of kindness can create ripples of joy. Peek through. To look quickly or secretly through something. Glimpse. A brief look or momentary view of something. A pang of sadness. A sudden sharp feeling of sadness. Grumble. To complain in a low, muttering voice. Contagious. Something that spreads easily, like emotions or diseases. Mulled over. Thought carefully about something before deciding. Grumpy. Bad-tempered or irritable. Rub off on. When someone's behavior or qualities influence another person. Ripples off. Small effects that spread outward, like waves in water. Mumbled. Spoke quietly and unclearly, often hard to understand. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.